Sorry. I'm starstruck. That's what it is. How you doing, Catherine? All right. All right. Where's Christina? Come here. You're going to see a lot of this young lady. All right. So this is, what's today? Today is the 11th, right? July 11th. It's about 100 degrees outside. It's like 73 in here, give or take, which is nice, right? This is Christina Sargent. My name is Jim with a Y. That's J-Y-M. It's Christina. Okay. All right. So what we did is we did the American swing. This is basically a bronze level class, but what we did is we took some ideas of the jive and we applied it to our swing to make it better. The first thing we talked about was the fact of being able to change the way we did our chasses. So what we did is we talked about a body action that changes. So when we did it, 1, 2, my body's actually sending in the direction that I want to go, triple step, and then triple step, okay? So if we're practicing that, guys, see that? Okay? We also talked about if the music was too fast, that we do a jive action, okay? Kicks, flicks, right? So that I actually 1, 2, 3, 4, and that takes the place of a chasse. 1, 2, 3, 4, a back, a rock, a 1, 2, 3, 4. For the lady, the same thing, opposite feet, same action, okay? Next thing we talked about was the American spin. This is another jive step that we incorporate into the American syllabus. One of my favorites. Remember, if the lady's just learning to do this, we wait because the leader is the master of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we do that one more time, a little bit more speed. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wasn't going to wait. I didn't know. Bad me. All right. Then we took the inside underarm turn and we changed it where we're actually making it a little bit more precise and more linear. Yeah. So we took it from this action here. We did our back rock. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, we're going to put this all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which gives it a little bit more sharp contrast to our basic circular, blurry kind of swing. All right. Then we did, what did we do? Sliding doors. Okay. So what we did with the sliding doors is we did it without pushing the lady in the throw out position. We actually were practicing it by keeping the hand behind our back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. And then we ended it with an inside underarm turn to finish it. So we're going to try that with some music. Just give me 1 second. Don't stop filming. She doesn't want to play now, right? There we go. There we go. You got to have music to it, right? You got to see what it looks like. There we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Going into a closed position. Not yet. There we go. To the throw out. Finishing with an inside underarm turn. Woo! Thank you very much.